Hey guys, let's make ugali, the real ugali. So first you make sure the water is boiled. You pour your flour bit by bit, just the way I'm doing it. Then you mix. Ensure you mix it well. Then you add more flour. We're gonna make soft and tasty ugali. Add more flour. Yeah, bit by bit. Mix it. Ensure you mix it well, just the way I'm doing it. Continue mixing. Give it some time to cook. Then you continue again mixing. Once you feel you've mixed it properly, leave it for 5 minutes. Leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Then you serve it. Allow it cook for 5 minutes. Yes, you serve it. You shape it. Give it a nice shape. You can eat it with whatever you want. For me, I ate it with some skuma wiki and some eggs, and it was really tasty. So don't forget to subscribe.